welcome back to the blog. Today we are very excited because we get to announce the winner of our giveaway. We created this tag that is a shaker and also a magnet, and we have been having a drawing to see who will win this tag. First, I want to give a special shout out to everyone who has been supporting this series and our channel. You guys are awesome with all the comments and the likes and the feedback and so many great suggestions. And I just want to say I love you guys. You have been so supportive and you have made this a lot of fun. It was a lot of work, but I have enjoyed every minute of it. So thanks to all of the OG at Polly's for sticking with me, and all the new peeps, welcome. And I hope that we have lots of fun working with different series together. So now I just want to introduce the tech hubby who is going to be drawing the name for our giveaway, and also thank him for all the support that he does behind the scenes with the technology and helping me to create the special intro. So Kenny is going to come in now and draw a name from our secret prize container.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right, mix them up. And the winner is Ann Thompson.
Thank you. Congratulations, Ann Thompson. If you will send me a private Facebook message through our Polly's Paper Studio Facebook group, I can get the contact information and send this out to you. So thank you to everyone who participated. It was a lot of fun, and I cannot wait to start our new series, which by popular demand has been flowers. So we're going to be creating flowers, and we're going to be altering flowers, and then we're going to be creating different arrangements with them for your cards and your projects. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!